Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Google Analytics works by the inclusion of a block of JavaScript code on pages in your website. When users to your website view a page, this JavaScript code references a JavaScript file which then executes the tracking operation for analytics.
Take our lead.
7 reasons to use Google Analytics. You can see how people find your website. You can track what people do when they're on your website. You gain data on who's visiting your website and how. You can find the most popular pages on your website. It helps you track conversions. It's free. It's easy.
Take our lead.
Course Overview. Google Analytics for Beginners shows new users how to create an account, implement tracking code, and set up data filters. The course will also demonstrate how to analyze basic audience, acquisition, and behavior reports, and set up goals and campaign tracking.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Google Analytics is a free web analytics service that provides statistics and basic analytical tools for search engine optimization, SEO, and marketing purposes. The service is available to anyone with a Google account.
Take our lead.
Google Analytics is a web analytics service offered by Google that tracks and reports website traffic, currently as a platform inside the Google Marketing Platform brand. Google Analytics provides an SDK that allows gathering usage data from iOS and Android app, known as Google Analytics for mobile apps.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.